Hey guys, it's Wings Hauser coming at you from downtown La La Land. Look, I just wanted to say a few words about my partner, Callie. I've been watching this beautiful young girl blossom into one of a handful of artists that are making movies for us, for we the people. Because in this day of Madison Avenue madness, where they tell you what to think, what to wear, when to go, when to come, when to stay, when to do, in this day of corporations that don't make movies anymore, they make deals, well, along comes Miss Callie. So I'm asking you to go see this film online or in the theaters. She's my new hero, a working-class actress. She's one of us, guys. Support her. Thanks, man. Take care.
We love you guys. And stay tuned for my chat with Heather, which I guess is coming up whenever we can. Okay. Bye, guys.